स्टूडेंट, आज की क्लास में हम एक्सरसाइज 1.2 इंट्रोडक्शन चैप्टर 1 रिलेशन एंड फंक्शन. In this class we study types of function. In class 11 we have studied so many types of functions based on graph, signal function, identity function, polynomial function, rational functions. So many types of functions you have studied in class 11. In class 12 we study types of function the based on mapping. First, what is function? Function is a relation in which no two ordered pair have same first element. Each element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Okay, see. First of all, function. F from x to y. This is mapping. X to y arrow diagram. Mapping. Function is a relation. Function is a relation in which no two ordered pair have same first element. Each element of set A has one and only one image in set B. One more. Every element in domain have unique image in codomain. Codomain. See in mapping example. Mapping x to y. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D, E. Function is a relation in which no two ordered pair have same first element. Ordered pair का first element तो same नहीं रहेगा. Okay. One more definition. Each element of set A has a set. You take x, y or A, B. X, y. Each element of set X has one and only one image in set B. X of element of 1, 2, 3, 4. Y element of A, B, C, D, E. Each element of set X has one and only one image. एक ही image रहेगा. One and only one image in set Y. एवरी एलिमेंट इन डोमेन, इसको डोमेन बोलते हैं, एवरी एलिमेंट इन डोमेन हैव यूनिक इमेज इन कोडोमेन, दिस सेट इज कोडोमेन. Unique image, only one image, or one more set of element A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, set of element B 5, 6, 7, 8. The function is A comma B such that B is equal to A plus 5, or A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. In this function, B equal to A plus 5, A belongs to set A, B belongs to set B. When A, अगर A का वैल्यू 1 हो गया तो 1 plus 5 is 6, 1 comma 6 in order pair A comma B form. When A is equal to 2 plus 5 7, 2 comma 7. When A is equal to 3 plus 5 8, 3 comma 8. When A is equal to 4 plus 5 9. B value 9 हो रहा है, 9 not belongs to set B. Therefore, this much only the function. You see here, first one, function is a relation in which no two ordered pair have same first element. Ordered pair का same first element नहीं, ordered pair, first ordered pair, second ordered pair, first element different है. Okay. Each element of set X A हो गया. Okay, then here one is pre-image of 6, 6 is image of 1, 1 is pre-image of 6, 1 is pre-image of 6, 6 is image of 1. Here also 2 is pre-image of 7, 7 is image of 2. 1 is pre-image, 1 is pre-image, 6 is image. In ordered pair, all set of first element is called domain. The ordered pair second element is range. The whole set B is called codomain. Here also this one is domain, the whole set is codomain. This is introduction of function. Next comes to types of functions. There are only two types of functions, one function and onto function. One function is also called injective, onto function is also called surjective. Both one and onto function is called bijective function. Next is types of function. There are two types of function, one and onto. One function is also called injective. The onto function is called surjective. You see, one function, every element in domain has unique and distinct image in codomain. Every element in domain has unique and distinct image in codomain. See example. 1 2 3 4 A B C D. One more example. X 1 2 3 4 A B C D E F. Every element in domain, this X set is called a domain. This Y is codomain. Every element in domain has unique and distinct image. Distinct image in codomain. हर एलिमेंट की अलग इमेज रहना. सेट ऑफ एलिमेंट एक्स, हर एलिमेंट 1 2 3 4 हर एलिमेंट की अलग इमेज रहना. सी 1 का इमेज ए, 2 का इमेज सी, 3 का इमेज बी, 4 का इमेज डी. 1 function. Every element in domain has unique and distinct different image. हर एलिमेंट की अलग इमेज रहना. This one is 1 function. Okay, see this. It is also 1 function. हर एलिमेंट की अलग इमेज है. This one is not 1 function because 2 and 3 का इमेज A है. डोमेन हैज यूनिक एंड डिस्टिंक्ट इमेज. यूनिक, हर एलिमेंट की अलग इमेज रहना. 2 का इमेज A है, 3 का इमेज A है. मेनी एलिमेंट 1 इमेज. मेनी एलिमेंट है ना 2 and 3. मेनी एलिमेंट 1 इमेज is called many one. This function is many one function. It is not 1 It is not 1 because every element has यूनिक एंड डिस्टिंक्ट इमेज रहना. बट यहां पर 2 and 3 का इमेज क्या है? ए है ना. मेनी वन फंक्शन. सी 1 more example. One, 2, 3, A, B. क्या है ये फंक्शन? फंक्शन ही नहीं है फिर 1 कैसा बताते हैं हम? फंक्शन का डेफिनेशन क्या है? एवरी एलिमेंट इन डोमेन. एवरी एलिमेंट बट 1 2 है. 3 का इमेज नहीं है. therefore this one is not a function. फंक्शन ही नहीं है बोले तो फिर 1 कैसे बताते हैं? okay, this one is not a function. Every element in domain has. every element डोमेन में कितना भी एलिमेंट रहता वो एलिमेंट का एक तो एक इमेज रहना. then only we call function. This is not a function. Not a function. Then second one, this is 1 function. It is many one function. क्यों many one function है? many element of 1 image है. It is not a function because every element domain has image in codomain, but यहाँ पर 3 is not any image. Then second, onto a surjective function. Onto function is also called surjective function if definition if every element codomain have some pre-image in domain. If every element in codomain have some pre-imaging domain is called onto function. See example. One, two, three, four. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D, E, F. And based on definition, if every element in codomain, a codomain है, every element in codomain have some pre-imaging domain, ये onto function भी है, one function भी है. One every element in domain has unique and distinct image in codomain. Next, every element in codomain have some pre-image. Here, one is pre-image of A. A is image of 1. A is called image of 1. 1 is pre-image of A. This one is 1 1 and onto. क्या है फंक्शन? 1 1 है, onto है, क्या मिनिमम फंक्शन है? These functions 1 1 तो नहीं. Every element domain has unique and distinct image. Every element 1 2 3 4 ये पूरा एलिमेंट का इमेज है, बट कैसा रहना? यूनिक इमेज एंड डिस्टिंक्ट. 1 का इमेज ए, 2 का इमेज ए. दिस वन इज नॉट 1 1, not 1 1 is many one function. क्या onto है? onto नहीं है, not onto. onto का डेफिनेशन क्या है? if every element in codomain, every element codomain है, some pre-image in domain. every element का some pre-image डोमेन में रहना. B, every element, if every element in domain, in codomain have some pre-image, वो कैसा भी रहेगा, some pre-image रहेगा, but B and E, F, these three are not occupied in domain. It is not onto नहीं है, into function भी बोलते हैं, into function. It is not function. ये function ही नहीं है. First of all, this example is not a function. Then how we say this one is one onto or many one function? Function is a relation in which no two ordered pair have same first element. First element है ना, two image B, then two image C. No two ordered pair have same first element. दो ordered pair का first element तो same नहीं रहना. बट यहाँ पर क्या है, two का image दो रहना. This one is not function. Next, see one more example. X, Y, 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D, E. क्या है फंक्शन? onto 1 1. This function is 1 1. Every element domain has unique and distinct image in codomain. This one is 1 1 function. क्या onto नहीं है? क्यों नहीं onto? If every element codomain have some pre-image in domain, every element codomain का every element some pre-image domain में रहना, but C का pre-image नहीं है. It is not onto.